Networking and the members forum. You have heard from the speech of His Majesty the Mayor and the speech of Honorable Governor. They have reminded us of the very important role we have to play as a branch in making sure that we build cohesion and train our members, to capacitate our members. She will be responsible to do some of that important responsibility. We also have Mr. Johnny Ndume, who is responsible for branch membership growth. The gentleman before us, who is directing our program today, Mr. Salomo Ipinge, will be responsible for directing our events and resource mobilization. Give him a hand over. We also have Mr. Konjeni Ntinta,